Welcome to our French rental. So while the work is going on in our other house that we just purchased, we didn't want to interrupt the workers, so we ended up renting a house in the village, which gives us a little taste of village life.
Nice knocker.
That's what I want to do with the house. I want a wood door so I can put that. This is very traditional French. So this is our rental. It's very simple. 1,000 euros a month, you really can't beat that. Bathroom on here, tile floor, very typical Provencal. And it's perfect for us because we're within walking distance of the house that we purchased, so we can go check on it daily. It's all you need, really. It has a little tiny kitchen, screens on the windows, which, as everyone knows...
Big help, big help.
The French don't like screens.
They're out of their minds with no screens.
To find this is rare. And the pièce de résistance.
Well, why don't you show the room here, up here first, and then go out through the other room?
I was going to show you the nice view we have. But no, we wwere thinking when we actually rented this house before, and we were going to maybe purchase this house, but it's a little too tiny, and it's in the village. We wanted an actual country house. Little sitting area. Fireplace, which I love in the cozy winters. And we go out here to the terrace. And this is right in the heart of Contignac. And you can smell the fig leaves from the fig tree. And this is the view of the Rocher at the hilltop village. The rock-cut houses. I mean, to see this view every day, it's just a blessing. I love it. I love it. And we're going to need some peace because with all the work going on, it's going to be very stressful. So this is our little French rental. It has 2 bedrooms. We'll show you upstairs and go back this way. So this place was a great deal. Now, if you rent it during the summertime, they do charge a lot more. They charge weekly for July and August, but we were able to get it off season.
Why is that door open over there?
And because this is the laundry area. A washer and dryer, that's a gem. For you. I don't mean the viewers, I mean Noah, because he likes the dryer. I like to dry on the outside. Let's go upstairs now. Check out the tile on the stairs. This I never cared for. This I consider wasted space, really. But this is 1 bedroom. Don't mind our laundry that we just did. And if you want to check out the view of the parking lot right there. And this is another bedroom, twin. So it's perfect for us right now. We're renting this for 3 months until Christmas. Hopefully in that 3 months, we'll get a lot done in the other house and we'll keep you updated to our progress. I don't want to stop the video in the middle of the bathroom, but until next time, à bientôt.
À bientôt.